Communication devices. Communication is the process of transferring information from a source to a destination. Communication systems for the most part cover distances between computers, and they may involve the public telephone system, radio and television. Wide area communication systems have become very complex, with all combinations of voice, data and video being transferred by wire, optical fiber, radio and microwaves. Communication routes may traverse distances over land, underwater, through local radio sources and via satellite. Data that originates as analog voice signals may be converted to digital data streams for efficient routing over long distances and then converted back to analog signal without the awareness of those communicating. Let us look at some of the different types of communication devices you may encounter when dealing with a computer. Bluetooth is a computing and telecommunications industry specification that describes how devices such as mobile phones, computers, or personal digital assistants can communicate with each other. Simply stated, Bluetooth is a wireless communication protocol. As such, you would use Bluetooth to communicate to two or more other Bluetooth-capable devices. Bluetooth is intended to create a single digital wireless protocol to address end-user problems arising from the proliferation of various mobile devices that need to keep data synchronized, that is consistent from one device to another. In 2006, Exmovware unveiled a web-based Bluetooth-enabled biosensor wristwatch designed to provide elderly care assistance. The wearable Exmo Care sensor system monitors the elderly person's vital signs, including pulse, heart rate, and motion, and allegedly can assess up to 10 different emotional states, including relaxed, worried, and agitated. The device collects information every 30 minutes and automatically alerts caregivers of any abnormal status. The wristwatch connects via Bluetooth to an enabled personal computer, cell phone, or GPS car kit, which monitors the wearer's location and vehicle speed. Infrared is a method of transferring data without the use of wires. At the consumer level, many of us are familiar with infrared-based remote controls for TV sets, slide projectors, computer graphics, presentations, and the like. Many of us use an infrared-based computer mouse, and many laptops have infrared networking capability. Modems. As local loops often are analog, computer communications across such circuits are not possible without the assistance of a device to accomplish the digital to analog conversion. Where a digital circuit is available, it generally is considerably more expensive. The device that accomplishes the digital to analog conversion process is known as a modem. Modems modulate and demodulate the analog carrier wave in order to represent digital bit streams across the analog local loop, reconstructing the digital signal on the receiving end through a process of analog to digital conversion. The figure shows a configuration in which two computers communicate over a telephone line through the use of modems. Wi-Fi, short for wireless fidelity, utilizes one of the international wireless standards to achieve a wireless connection to a network. A home wireless network uses a wireless access point or router to broadcast a signal to send and receive signals from wireless devices on the network. If the desktop computer or laptop does not have wireless, it requires a wireless adapter to connect to the wireless network. A MiFi taps into 3G or 4G mobile phone networks and uses this connection to create a mini wireless broadband cloud. This can then be shared between mobile internet-enabled devices such as mobile phones, laptops, netbooks, and even games consoles that are within range of its signal. Codecs. A codec is a device or computer program for encoding or decoding a digital data stream or signal. Codec encodes a data stream or signal for transmission, storage, or encryption, or decodes it for playback or editing. Codecs are used in video conferencing, streaming media, and video editing applications. An audio codec converts analog audio signals into digital signals for transmission or storage. A receiving device then converts the digital signals back to analog using an audio decompressor for playback. An example of this is the codecs used in the sound cards of personal computers. The video codec accomplishes the same task for video signals. The network interface card, referred to as an Ethernet card, a network adapter, is an expansion card that enables your computer to connect to a network, such as a home network or the internet, using an Ethernet cable with an RJ45 connector. The image shows a dual-port gigabit Ethernet network adapter. A smartphone is a cell phone that allows you to do more than just make phone calls and send text messages. Smartphones can browse the internet and run basic software programs like a computer, and the user often interacts with the smartphone by using their finger on the touch screen. Today's smartphone is a voice, text, and multimedia communications hub, a personal information manager, a web browser, a multimedia entertainment center, a game console, and an extensible platform for new applications. Satellites are specifically made for telecommunication purposes. They are used for mobile applications such as communication to ships, vehicles, planes, handheld terminals, and for TV and radio broadcasting. A communication satellite is an artificial satellite that relays and amplifies radio telecommunication signals via a transponder. It creates a communication channel between a source transmitter and a receiver at different locations on Earth. A satellite receives radio frequency signals uplink from a satellite dish on the Earth, known as an earth station or transmitter, and then amplifies the signals, changes the frequency, and retransmits them on a download frequency to one or more earth stations or receiver. You are now aware of the basic devices on your computer. However, there are a few more devices that you should know. A video capture card is one of the most important hardwares to be used for multimedia work on a personal computer. Video capture is an internal, external device that connects from the computer or device to a video camera or similar device capable of capturing a video signal. The video capture device is then capable of taking that video signal and converting it to a stored video format, allowing you to store, modify, and show video on a computer. Video capture results will depend on the performance and capacity of all the components of your system working together. Video capture from analog devices like video camera requires a special video capture card that converts the analog signals into digital form and compresses the data. Video capture card uses various components of the computer to pass frames to the processor and hard disk. For good quality video, a video capture card must be able to capture full-screen video at a good rate. The image shows a 2-channel HDMI video capture card. Today, almost all displays and video adapters adhere to a common denominator de facto standard, Video Graphics Array, or VGA. VGA describes how data, essentially red, green, blue data streams, is passed between the computer and the display. VGA describes the frame refresh rates in Hz. It also specifies the number and width of horizontal lines, which essentially amounts to specifying the resolution of the pixels that are created. VGA supports 4 different resolution settings and 2 related image refresh rates. A video adapter provides extended capability to a computer in terms of video. The better the video adapter, the better is the quality of the picture you see. A high-quality video adapter is a must for you while designing your multimedia project. A sound card is a device that attaches to the motherboard to enable the computer to input, process, and deliver sound. The sound card generates sounds, records sound from analog devices by converting them to digital mode, and reproduce sound for a speaker by reconverting them to analog mode. The image shows a sound card with 600 ohm headphone amplifier.